There are tons of inexpensive wireless security camera systems from retailers on Amazon that promise unrealistic performance but are only sufficient for short distance transmission, like in a small home up to 150 feet. For longer distances, you will find their clever marketing with pretty pictures in the description is all hype. At CCTV Camera World, we specialize in professional wireless security camera systems that would cost thousands if purchased from a local installer in your area. If you're looking to make a professional system that provides a signal almost as good as wired cameras, then consider the systems that CCTV Camera World can customize for you. Here's an exact scenario of a customer with a layout that would not work with a low-cost wireless system. This is a case study from one of our customers who shared his project with us, so we can share it with you. The customer had illegal garbage dumping occurring on the far end of his property and needed high-definition video to capture faces and general vehicle detail. His challenge was how to make a system spread across 2 buildings with a road in between. The layout spans over 300 feet and a wired system was not possible. The first and most important step in obtaining a wireless camera system is planning. We asked this customer, like all inquiring wireless customers, to provide an overhead site layout that shows where the cameras will be installed and where the NVR will be located. Here is his map layout with wireless cameras labeled 1 through 4. He also had one wired camera that connected directly to his NVR. The site layout helps us better understand a customer's needs and allows us to ensure the layout is compatible with one of our wireless systems. It also helps us determine just how many wireless access points are necessary for flawless video transmission. Now watch the customer himself explain the installation setup of a wireless 4K system from CCTV Camera World.
So here we have the first camera and the antenna there. We have the 2 wireless cameras here transmitting to over there. And then we have a second pair all the way on the other side. Completely different building, transmitting all the way back over to the office. Transmitting all the way over there, back over to that building. And then we just have one more camera right there. And so the last camera is located right here, 284 feet from the office where the NVR. So this camera here, again transmitting all the way back to the building over there into the office. So here we have 5 cameras, 4 wireless, 1 wired. As you can see, we're here with the first camera, getting really clear transmission, 4K resolution. I can zoom in, take a look at license plates, faces, any type of text. Again, this is 83 feet away from the NVR, transmitting wirelessly. This one here I have transmitting 100 feet wirelessly, 170 feet wirelessly, and 284 feet wirelessly. Again, these are all being transmitted clear 4K resolution, and especially with these 2, they're on a completely different building and still transmitting a really clear video.